Hey guys, Tony here. So quick update. I know I haven't really posted anything as far as like Forex and the Forex EA that I was using and stuff. But I will be actually, I didn't want to use my other account because it's already kind of grown and stuff. So what I did was I started another live account, which is here. You guys can see live. Whoops, that's my, shouldn't see that. That's that's me. That's my live account. And I will be growing this account slowly but surely, and I'll also be adding the Forex EA that I've been testing just to kind of show you guys what it's actually, what the returns are, what it's trading. And I think after another couple months of me testing it, I will be releasing it. Basically, I'm still like testing out the kinks and everything, but for the most part, it has been pretty decently profitable. I think just on me testing silver and gold. By the way, I'm in the bathroom, so if it echoes, then we'll be good. But if just on silver and gold, I think silver returned maybe like 2 or 3 grand in the last couple months. Literally me doing nothing, and gold is returning roughly about $500 to $1,000 a month. So they're kind of in the same range. You do need at minimum maybe like a 10K account to fund this thing, right? Unless you want to be risky and put anything lower. But again, I will be releasing the EA. I've tested it enough to the point where I think that I can put like I don't want to say my name behind it, but I can recommend it, right? But again, I will be growing this small account. I actually had $500. I already made about $55. But as of right now, you guys can see that I am shorting Bitcoin. And I am basically trading other pairs and stuff. This is all manually trading, right? So I'm already up $121. This is all manually trading. I mean, I couldn't help but add more BTC shorts to this new account. But I will be, like I said, I will be mostly, this small account or this $500 account is mostly going to be for the Forex EA that I've been testing for the last couple of months. I will occasionally trade manually on this account just because, why the hell not? But yeah, just a quick update. I will be releasing the Forex EA. I do think it's pretty solid. But it's going to be releasing, but not for a couple of months until it's being tested a little bit more. First, I'm going to release the series on Forex of basically growing the small $500 account to, I don't know, wherever I can like grow it to slowly, right? Just to show you guys how it's actually done the right way. You can't do this overnight. And I will be trading you guys exactly how I trade. Which is 2 different versions. So I do swing trade with my reverse MACD, very, very, very long swings, like week trading, right? And then the HD, I trade hidden divergence. And that's more for short-term trading. And again, I'll be releasing a lot of videos specifically focused on Forex. If you guys want to get into this, again, Forex is a lot harder than stocks. This is where I learned to trade. So, I will be releasing videos on Forex, how I trade. If you guys want me to release videos on how to set this thing, on how to set up your Forex account and stuff like that. But again, this is mainly going to be, the series is mainly going to be to show off the Forex EA that I've been using, which basically does all the trading for you and stuff. Again, it's going to be shown to grow this account. I will be trading little blocks here and there when I see moves or whatever, but I am going to be starting a Forex series just to like show you guys how to trade and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys later.